Namaste. Now we will see how to do Kapotasana first variation. Sit on Sthiti, take 2 deep breaths, bend the right leg, then take it back and bend the left leg. Place the hands ahead the knees, come down and put the head on the floor. Touch the forehead on the floor. Straight the hands and take 2-3 deep breaths. Hold this position for some time. Now place the hands beside the knee. Breathe and bend backward. Breathe out and touch the forehead on the floor. Inhale and bend backward. Exhale and bend forward. Inhale, bend backward. Exhale and bend forward. Touch the floor. Do this for 3 to 5 times. Then change the leg and do it this process again. Take the left leg back. Right leg will be bent and bend the body forward. Place the hands straight. Take 2-3 deep breaths. Hold this position for some time. Place the hands beside the knees. Take breath and bend backward. The leg behind will be straight. Bend forward, breathing out. Inhale, bend backward. Exhale and bend forward. Touch the ground with the forehead. Inhale. Now exhale. Inhale and exhale. This is very good for reducing the belly, very good for digestion, constipation, etc. Now straight the hands and come back to the steady position and rest.